Hey everybody, I'm here with Monica. First off, I want to say thank you for your interest in the Eating for Success program. And I'm here with this month's winner. Monica is someone who has been, I've watched her really transform and do a lot of beautiful things just through the whole Eating for Success program, you know what I'm saying? So I want to congratulate her today, and we're giving her her gift card. So she can go get some vegan food, or keep on doing her thing, get some groceries or whatever. So I want to congratulate you with that, you did, and I'm very proud of you. And I just want to take a few seconds for you to share your story with everybody, if you don't mind, and just let them know your experience on the program. I know you mentioned you lost 15 pounds, and she's more focused, more energetic. She's working on her business plan. She's doing some things. So just share your experience with the people and how great it's been, with you Eating for Success.
Okay, that's cool. So basically, when I started my vegan journey, it was just really a personal reflection of things that I've seen in media, things that I've seen, people dying from heart disease, the increase in diabetes, the increase of just obesity overall, and I wanted to make a personal change and pretty much just take more control of my own destiny.
Alright, that's what's up.
So, I enrolled into your program. I saw it online. I inboxed you about it. You got me signed up. A lot of helpful information. The app that you have, it has a lot of recipes. It gives you a grocery list, and also a journal that you can jot down everything that you're learning, how you're feeling, if you're going through withdrawals, because that is a portion of it. Sometimes you do go through that. And I just started to.
She's bringing me my vegan cake because we celebrate.
Doesn't that cake look good? It looks like a really good cake.
Yeah, that's what's up.
But I just really watched the videos. I prepped my meals. I went in my house. I read everything of all animal products. I completely emptied out my freezer, emptied out my pantry, and just went and bought everything fresh. Read the labels, and just consistently. I spend about an hour a day just researching recipes, vitamins to take, and things like that.
You gotta go all in. Tell them they gotta go all in. They
you gotta go all in.
Step with it.
It's really not. It's more of a mindset thing, But I will say it was a lot easier once you just did it. When you think about, I'm not gonna eat meat, I'm not gonna eat cheese. I know a lot of people love cheese.
Yeah,
you don't want to eat
one of them.
You love cheese and you don't want to get rid of it or stop eating it, but then you just start eating all these healthy things, and you come up with all these amazing recipes, and then you realize this is what you've been missing. That was my experience.
Yeah, definitely mine too. Yeah, and that's what we want other people to know and get on board, so that they can really see it's a whole nother side of living and putting what you put in your body that we're missing out on. You know what I'm saying? And talk about how that's kind of helped you take charge in other areas, because once you kind of see that you can take control of your life in one area, then it's like a domino effect.
Yeah,
you start realizing.
It is. I guess with the increase in raw nutrients, it kind of helps your mental clarity. It helps you not have so much anxiety. It helps you be focused. I know for me, I've been a big procrastinator. I've had so many things I wanted to do, but I couldn't commit to one specific thing to do. And so since I made this change, I was able to say, okay, this is my board. This is what I'm going to focus on. Check off my tasks, the things that I want to do.
Yeah. So
it overall, committing to that one, it's kind of domino effects everything else that you want to do in your life and you may want to commit to.
Right. That's what's up. That's what's up. Tell them a little bit about what you're working on. You're working on some of your plans, right? Trying to go on ahead and level up everything, you know what I'm saying, with all this extra energy and stuff now, you know. So, that's what I feel like a lot of people, especially if you have big goals, big dreams and desires, having the ability to not only take control of your life, but also help you be more creative, more focused, more energetic, more confident, you know what I'm saying, and start to, like she said, check them boxes off, start to knock stuff out, you know what I'm saying? And so they should do like you and get the program and
They should definitely get the program. I mean, even if you just joined it, you did the 30 days, so the 21 day challenge, at least just do that for yourself. See if you can really do it, and then you may discover that this is the lifestyle that you want to live, or it may not be for you. You know, to each his own. But it's just worth a shot because you really have nothing to lose.
It's worth the shot either way, right? So,
yeah.
So if y'all downloading the free app or getting the full program, take advantage, take charge of your life. It's 2019. No excuses, right?
Yeah, no excuses. The free program is good, but I would suggest just paying the subscription fee so that you get the full access. Because you don't want to just do it halfway. You know, you want to get the full experience.
Yeah,
that's what I did. At first I did the free one and it was great. I got smoothie recipes. I thought it was awesome. And then I upgraded and I realized that I get a lot more for my money, for my life.
That's what's up. That's what's up, you know. And when it comes to your life, you really can't even put no price on that. So, you know, it's all about knowing how valuable you really are and giving yourself the best of things, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, just go all in. Go all in on yourself. Go all in on your dreams and your goals. Take control of your life, and, you know, you'll be like Monica. You'll be talking about how you leveling up your whole life and doing all types of big things. I'll keep your eye out on Monica and share her Instagram with y'all so y'all can see the progress she made, see the things that she's working on, and she'll probably throw y'all some tips and help y'all out while y'all on the program too, alright? So we at the Cosmic Cafe in Dallas, Texas. I'm about to enjoy some vegan cake.
That cake looks bomb.
Monica trying to entice me to go on ahead and get one of these platters because she getting one of my favorite meals, the Trinity Tacos. So I'm having second thoughts right now, but we just gonna celebrate life and encourage y'all to do the same this year, huh? Peace, y'all. Eating for success.
Purchase your track today. Oral B.